Okay, why am I creating this video? I'm creating this video to share with you my art. If you're wondering why I collect the ones I do and why I keep the ones I do, then this is the video to watch. You'll see behind the scenes my paintings and I'll comment on each one. I thought it'd be fun to show you paintings that are actually hanging to dry on my fence. I do so many different styles of painting, and if you're curious about art and making art, then perhaps you'll learn something from watching this video. I love creating art and I love experimenting. This one here happens to be a color field painting that I created with my nephew, Jim Wildman, where we actually poured and scraped and did so many things to create the different techniques that made this painting interesting and something that people would want. There's so many different styles. I really enjoy painting. I also enjoy creating my garden, and I guess that's where I get my love of colors. I love color. Do you love color? If you do, don't be afraid of it. Learn to mix colors. Creating videos are quite a challenge, and it's often difficult for me to know what to show you. The whole purpose of this is to show you that I'm actually a painter, that I am painting all the time, and to give you tips and tricks. I hope that you watch all my other videos. I have so many out there, and possibly if you just take the time to keep watching, you'll learn some tricks for yourself. If you're a painter, I hope this helps you. If you're a collector, I hope this exposes you to the type of art that I can create for you. There's so much art in the world, and we should surround ourselves with beauty. Now, this is my favorite painting. You might ask, why is this my favorite painting? I guess I'll never sell it. I'll sell prints. This is probably my signature style. This is Secret Forest. I love the strength of the color. I love the painting. I love the different ways that I applied the paint. This is all in oil. And I just really enjoyed the process of painting. So this is my signature style, Secret Forest. Several of you have commented out there that I need to be more myself and more natural and just talk to you. So that's what I'm going to do. The reason for this video is I wanted to share the art that I paint. I thought the best way to do that would be to tour around my home. I live in North Carolina, and if you happen to be in Charlotte, North Carolina, I give private lessons in my home. Be sure and contact me and we can talk about painting in my studio. Now, I've been painting for 40 years, so I have a lot of paintings. I have a lot of different styles. If you're a new artist out there, paint all the time. You know, you should develop a series, something that you're noted for, a style that's about you. Now, this happens to be a self-portrait. I'm on the right, and my partner, Jano, is on the left. Wow, so many years ago. She's in heaven now, but God, I'm so glad I painted this painting. I guess I'll never paint another one like it. It's done in oil. And if you're an artist, take the time to do some realism too. Give it a try. Your style will develop and you will develop unique abilities that you didn't really think you ever had. Just trust yourself. Painting's a gift. Perhaps you have it. So start painting now. Paint all the time. You know, you should develop a series, something that you're noted for, a style that's about you. I have so much art in my home, and I thought it'd be interesting for you to find out why I kept the paintings I did and show you some of the different styles. If you're a new artist, I encourage you to paint all the time. Hopefully, you'll create a style that is just you. I have so many styles from realism to abstract, and I love creating and I love experimenting, and I encourage you to do that. In this next section, I'm just going to wander around my home and show you some of my paintings. I hope you enjoy it. This is one of my favorite. It's over my fireplace. So if it's over my fireplace, I must think it's pretty impressive. Why? Because first of all, it's on a panel, a wood panel. It's done completely in oils. It's one of my Secret Forest series, and I love the gravitas, the depth, the color. I love how the color moves into it, and you'll see all the detail. I get so many questions from artists that want to learn to paint, and they have asked me about my artlessonsnow.com site. So let's talk more about it. I wanted to talk to you about artlessonsnow.com because you can select a painting that you like the looks of, and then you can just play the lessons. They're very economical. You can play them over and over. They're yours to keep. If you see a style of a painting you like, then that is what that lesson will be about. So go to artlessonsnow.com. This painting is from my Layer series. It's actually very much texture and buildup of color. Look at the texture here. And it's holographic. It has hologram things that are shining on it. Look at this texture. I love the dark and the light and the volume and the colors. Do you want to learn how to paint this painting? Let me know and I'll create a video just about it. This painting is in my dining room, the entryway. So when you walk in, you see it right away. This is one of my poured paintings, my color field series. I love the emotion and the color. When I painted it, I didn't mean for it to be a figure, but it ended up looking like a figure, and I loved it. Well, I didn't want to make this video very long, so it's about 6 minutes. So I guess that's about anyone's attention span. I'll make some more if I get some comments that you like seeing behind the scenes. And if you want to see more little videos like this, make sure you scroll around on my videos. You'll find a lot of training videos and lessons. And don't forget that it's all about your choice and what you want to do to make yourself happy. I'm a painter and I love painting, and that makes me happy. So pursue your passions and have more joy every day. This is Cheryl Johnson. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And now I'll bring up a couple of the videos that I think you'll enjoy watching. Please click on them and make sure you share with others if you like this video. So enjoy yourself and have a great day. Thank you.